I think in the future, if you talk to people 15 to 20, they will not trust people and institutions, they trust code.
We actually turn every single asset into a non-fungible token. I think one of the speakers is also later on talking about NFTs. What we're doing, bridging what we call real-world assets to decentralized finance.
I would like to go again into a bit of more the kind of blockchain in use topic of today's talk, right? So how do we and where do we see adoption?
So on the one hand, we've got the application layers where end users are accessing things or service providers are going to be interacting with the technology.
With the establishment of the Blockchain in Use conference, we promote the important discourse about the current trends and innovations on an international level.
How decentralized technologies can help them, what they can do with it, and how they can transform from being a physical artist, becoming a digital artist.
So for the first time in history, non-fungible tokens were actually used to transfer intellectual property ownership in medical research.
One of our primary emphases is ensuring that we deliver the highest quality gaming experience that a person can participate in.
Here in Berlin, there's this fantastic potential by Berlin having such a critical ecosystem of people that think about counterculture, that think about what is possible beyond what is now there in this world. Then you have all of these different protocols that you can build upon.
With NFTs, it's tracking the ownership, but also associating it with various metadata. So whether that's art or, in our case, game assets.
The OECD is working on principles and guidelines for governments, for administrations, but also for industry representatives. At least in Germany, we set up a national blockchain strategy, the first comprehensive blockchain strategy in the world.
The previous government did a very important milestone by establishing the first blockchain strategy. What's your take on the next 4 years?
Changes can be something positive. I think it will take some time to concretize the coalition treaty once we're in contact with the new leadership.
It's in the interest of companies to show that they can differentiate and prove that they are able to trace everything all the way back.
A lot of product lines in each company. You have the greenwashing, and a big point is the trade secrets.
So the DGIT project develops and integrates oracles with a centralized industrial IoT platform using in the mining industry.
Any regulation that requires companies to share information is going to accelerate this, the adoption of this.
We also talk about mining operations, reviewing how DLT plays an active role in sustainable mining by creating the infrastructure to securely export trusted data across different stakeholders.
Bringing together all the entities on one platform.
It will be most certainly as a part of the ID Union Consortium. So also again joining forces with well-known actors in this context.